Welcome back to the channel, my elegant fashion lovers. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and whether you're planning a romantic candlelit dinner, a chic rooftop date, or a dreamy getaway, dressing the part is a must. Today, I'm bringing you 15 stunning and sophisticated couples Valentine's date night looks inspired by 2025 fashion trends. From bold statement outfits to timeless elegance, we have something for every couple looking to celebrate in style. Let's dive in. Starting strong with the color of love, this fiery crimson red mini dress with structured shoulders is all about power and passion. Paired with sleek straight hair, diamond jewelry, and classic red lips, it's a showstopper. The gentleman complements the look in a sharp black suit with a red silk tie, the perfect duo for a luxury high-rise bar with breathtaking city views. For the lovers of soft romance, this blush pink satin-draped midi dress is pure elegance. One shoulder, ruching, and the perfect glow with rose gold jewelry. It's dreamy. The man complements in a cream-colored double-breasted suit with a blush pink tie. Imagine this look at a rooftop restaurant, with a pink-hued sunset as your backdrop. Talk about romance. Nothing says luxury like deep navy silk. This gown, with its plunging neckline and open back bow detail, is the epitome of sophisticated elegance. Paired with sapphire jewelry and a sleek hairstyle, this is a showstopper. And for the man, a black tuxedo with a midnight blue lapel to match. Picture this, a private balcony dinner, candlelit, with city lights twinkling in the background. If you love metallic glamour, this silver satin slip dress with a crystal neckline is for you. Styled with a high bun, silver accessories, and shimmering eyes, this look shines effortlessly. The man keeps it sleek in a charcoal gray suit with a silver pocket square. Perfect for a romantic moonlit boat cruise. Think shimmering reflections on the water and a gentle evening breeze. A deep scarlet red gown with an off-shoulder neckline and thigh-high slit? Yes, please. This look screams old Hollywood glam with voluminous waves, a diamond choker, and a velvet clutch. The man keeps it timeless in a black tuxedo with a red velvet bow tie, because red is the color of passion. Perfect for an ultra-romantic Michelin star dinner setting, surrounded by candlelight and red roses. Channel your power couple energy with this midnight plum velvet gown featuring a structured corset bodice and a dramatic mermaid train. Pair it with a sleek high ponytail, bold smoky eyes, and diamond jewelry for pure opulence. The man brings drama with a black silk jacquard tuxedo with a burgundy satin lapel, accessorized with leather gloves and a designer watch. The setting? A private members-only club, sipping vintage cocktails with a jazz band playing in the background. If royal elegance is your vibe, this sapphire blue beaded gown with sheer sleeves is the one. Styled with a sleek bun and bold kohl-rimmed eyes, it's breathtaking. The man matches in a royal blue velvet blazer with tailored trousers. This look belongs in a grand palace ballroom where chandeliers sparkle and an orchestra plays soft classical music. Regal, timeless, and unforgettable. Classic, chic, timeless. A white one-shoulder column gown with draped satin detail, paired with a sleek chignon and diamond jewelry. Perfection. The man keeps it dapper in a black tuxedo with a white pocket square and bow tie. This is the ultimate power couple look. Perfect for an elegant 5-star hotel dinner with live piano music. Effortlessly sophisticated. For a soft and romantic vibe, a white silk gown with a plunging neckline and flowy train is dreamy. Paired with a tailored white suit with a light gray turtleneck, this look is ethereal. Now imagine the setting, a fairy tale garden with twinkling lights and cascading white flowers, straight out of a romance novel. This deep wine-colored silk slip dress with lace details is both sultry and sophisticated. Styled with glossy waves and gold jewelry, it's the perfect match for a man in a burgundy velvet blazer. Now, picture a luxury vineyard wine tasting experience with candlelight and rich red wine. Pure indulgence. Shimmer and shine in a rose gold sequin-embellished midi dress with a thigh-high slit. Paired with Hollywood waves and delicate jewelry, it's effortlessly chic. The man wears a taupe-tailored suit with a rose gold pocket square. Subtle but sophisticated. This is the perfect look for a candlelit rooftop lounge with a cityscape view. romantic and glamorous. For the stylish power couple, this mocha silk pantsuit with a cinched waist is bold and refined. Paired with a sleek high ponytail and statement earrings, it's a modern take on elegance. The man complements the vibe with a chocolate brown slim fit suit and black turtleneck. Perfect for a trendy rooftop cocktail bar with stunning city views. A white long-sleeve silk gown with a high neckline and open back screams old money sophistication. Paired with pearl earrings and a chic French twist, it's perfection. The man keeps it classic in a navy blue tailored suit with a bow tie. Where do you wear this? On a private yacht, sipping champagne as the sun sets over the ocean. Absolute luxury. All black is always a good idea. A black satin bodycon dress with sheer sleeves paired with a sleek ponytail and diamond studs is effortlessly chic. The man matches in a black-on-black tailored suit with a slightly unbuttoned silk shirt. Hello, James Bond vibes. The perfect look for a dimly lit luxury lounge with live jazz. Mysterious and alluring. For my minimalist lovers, an icy beige slip dress with a square neckline and subtle shimmer is perfection. Paired with a slicked back low bun and delicate gold jewelry, it's effortlessly stylish. The man keeps it modern in a tailored nude suit with a white turtleneck. Imagine this at an intimate beachside dinner with soft waves and candlelight. Understated yet stunning. She radiates elegance in a champagne silk slip dress, gold heels, and pearl drop earrings, with a soft chignon and glossy nude lips. He's effortlessly refined in a beige blazer, white trousers, and a silk pocket square. A candlelit hotel dinner sets the perfect scene for this timeless, glowing look. She stuns in a blush pink off-the-shoulder satin dress with pearl details, nude heels, and a quilted pink clutch, styled with a voluminous low bun and soft pink makeup. He's sleek in a champagne double-breasted suit. A rooftop dinner under the stars makes this look pure romantic sophistication. And there you have it. 15 stunning couples Valentine's date night looks for 2025. Whether you're feeling bold and dramatic or soft and romantic, there's a look for everyone. Comment below. Which couple's look is your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more elegant fashion inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish and celebrate love in the most fashionable way possible.